Hello, so my name is Jillian Battaglio, and I'm the owner of Creekside Accounting. We're a small boutique accounting firm in Kelowna, British Columbia, in Canada, and we help small business owners with their taxes. Now, today I wanted to talk about authorizing a representative. So, whether that's an accounting firm or an executive, someone you might want to have access to your CRA history and information. So, we're going to do this today under the CRA My Account Portal. Now, why is this beneficial? Well, it lets your chosen tax representative see your CRA Canada Revenue Agency history, identify personal tax write-offs that might be there, maybe your RSP contribution room, that kind of stuff, and then identify some potential tax risks. Maybe you've got a home buyer plan that needs to be included on your tax return, or maybe there's a letter in there they need to review, that kind of stuff. Now, adding a representative like this also lets the representative talk to the CRA on your behalf, which can be really nice if that's not something you're super comfortable with. Now, to get these great benefits, we need to authorize our representative, and the easiest way to do that is online. And we're going to do that through the CRA My Account portal. Now, to start off, we are on the CRA webpage here. And we're going to, once we get to the CRA account webpage, now your accountant may have given you a different link that's a little further along in this video, but we're going to start from the canada.ca website. I'm going to go down here to taxes and click there. Great. And now once we're in the taxes tab, we're going to go under this My Account. So I'm going to select there. All right. So now we're in the My Account for individuals, and I've scrolled down here. Now, there's three different ways that you can sign into the My Account. You can use the sign-in partner. That's like online banking. Maybe you've got, TD Canada Trust or another different bank. We can view the list of sign-in partners: CIBC, Coast Capital, Tangerine, all these different banks that have signed up with the CRA to allow you to sign in using your online banking information. So that's one option. Now, the third option is a provincial partner. So maybe you've got like a BC service card or an alberta.ca account. You can sign in using those same tax account numbers. Now, the option I'm going to show you through is through option 2, the CRA user ID and password, also known as My Account. So if you don't have online banking or you'd like to set up a dedicated tax account, you can go ahead and register using the CRA register button. Now, registering for My Account is beneficial because it's a secure portal that lets you view your personal income tax and benefit information all online and manage your tax affairs online. So it can be beneficial for changing, your address with CRA and that kind of thing. Now, to register for a CRA account, you need to have filed your most recent tax return or the prior one before that. So keep that in mind. If you're going to register online, you do need to have filed a tax return in the past 2 years. So hopefully you've already done that, or you have a My Account and you're watching this video and you're ready to authorize a representative. So to do that, you're going to click on CRA Sign In. Okay, so now we're going to sign in. So I'm going to type in my user ID here and my password for my CRA My Account, and I'm going to hit sign in. All right, and then I'm going to hit next. So you can definitely review the options, and I'm going to hit next because I read them a few times. All right, this logs you into your main CRA My Account page. So the overview might look different. It depends on what initiative the CRA has going on at the time, what they want to promote or highlight might be there. But the two important areas for you, one is clicking on your name on the top right here, and you can go to Profile to access the Authorization portal area. Or on the left, it's the other option, we can click on Profile over here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that we're in the profile, you can see on your account, they'll have your contact information. Double check, see if you want to update your mailing address, make sure your marital status is correct. You can see your child benefit information there, and you can double check your banking, making sure your direct deposit information is what you want it to be. So the area we're looking for is the authorized representative right here. So we've gone into the My Profile, we've scrolled down, and on the right is the authorized representative. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Add. So this tells you a little bit about why we might want to add an authorized representative, and I'm going to hit start. And now I'm going to type in whatever information that the representative has given me. So if it's individual, they might give you a rep ID. That might be in the case of an executor or someone like that. Now for a business, or in my case, an accounting firm, that might be the business number that we're going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Creekside's business number. And if you're one of our clients, you will have received an email with our business number that you can go ahead and add and type in there. Okay, so I had to hit search there after typing in the business number, and then Creekside Accounting in this case has popped up for us. So that is great. That's the accounting firm that we were looking for in this case. If you are onboarding for a different firm, there'll be a different name there. So just make sure the accounting firm you're looking for is what's popping up. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Now, these different levels of authorization allow your representative to do different things on your account. So one of them is just disclose information. They can just go in and see what's there. I generally recommend level 2 if you're comfortable with whomever you're authorizing, whether that's an accounting firm or someone really trusted, because that allows them to make changes to their account. And what that means is that they can call the CRA on your behalf, or submit things like income tax return adjustments and changes, and speak to the CRA and ask them to do different things to your particular tax situation. So if you're looking for the full services in an accounting firm, level 2 is definitely recommended. And I do always recommend online access as just a much fuller picture of your information. It allows them to look at all the tax slips that you have, your CRA history if you have any issues or audits that pop up later down the road. Online access is great. Now you can set an expiry date on all of this if you want. If you only want to use the accountant for a year or the representative for a year, you can definitely go ahead and put an expiry date. That being said, if you decide to use this firm in the future, you'll have to go back on and reauthorize them. So keep that in mind if you do decide to set an expiry date. All right, and I'm going to hit next. Okay, so now the representative's information pops up. So you're going to go ahead and review that, make sure it's the accounting firm that you had intended to authorize. I'm going to check your authorization level. We've done number 2, online access, yes, and it does not expire. Next, I'm going to confirm that the CRA may deal directly with the above representative for the specific authorization level I've given. So I'm going to head and confirm that, and then I'm going to hit wonderful. So if you wanted, you could go ahead and print and save this so that you can send it to your accountant and tell them, here you go, I'm all done, I'm good to go. And that's usually a good thing to do. It lets them know that they're ready to start work on your account and information. Okay, that is all I wanted to show you about how to authorize a representative. So you're good to go from there. I hope this video is helpful. If you're looking for, personal income tax return or small business tax returns, do feel free to check out creeksideaccounting.ca. Or if you're looking for general tax information advice, taxworks.ca is a great resource for you. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. Bye for now.